The moon, our celestial companion, that silvery orb that has captivated humanity for millennia. It may seem familiar, a constant in our night sky, but the moon harbors secrets that continue to baffle scientists to this very day. From mysteries surrounding its very origin to strange lunar phenomena that defy easy explanation, there are things about the moon that just don't add up. Could it be that this familiar celestial body is hiding something we don't yet understand? And why do some of these discoveries make scientists uneasy? Join us now on a journey of exploration as we venture into the cosmic unknown, peeling back the layers of the moon's enigmatic facade. We'll delve into the most shocking moon facts and unsolved mysteries that continue to puzzle experts, questioning what we think we know and pondering the profound implications these lunar enigmas hold. The moon's existence is a puzzle in itself. Unlike stars, which ignite in the fiery hearts of nebulae, the moon's formation doesn't fit neatly into our understanding of the early solar system. The prevailing theory, the giant impact hypothesis, suggests that a Mars-sized object dubbed Theia collided with a young Earth billions of years ago. The debris from this cataclysmic event, according to the theory, coalesced to form the moon. But even this dramatic explanation has its flaws. Some aspects of the moon's composition, particularly the striking similarity between its isotopes and Earth's, raise questions that the giant impact hypothesis struggles to answer fully. Could there be another explanation, perhaps one even more extraordinary? Scientists continue to explore alternative theories, from capture scenarios where the moon drifted into Earth's gravitational embrace to fission events where the early Earth spun off a portion of itself. But the moon's origin remains one of the most tantalizing mysteries in our cosmic backyard. For centuries, the moon was thought to be a desolate, bone-dry world, devoid of the life-giving liquid we take for granted here on Earth. But recent discoveries have shattered that notion, revealing that the moon harbors significant amounts of water ice, particularly in the permanently shadowed craters at its poles. This lunar water has sparked intense scientific interest, not only because it challenges our previous understanding of the moon's evolution, but also because it holds tantalizing implications for future human exploration. Imagine a permanent lunar base, sustained by water extracted from the moon itself, a stepping stone for further ventures into the cosmos. The discovery of water on the moon is a game-changer, opening up possibilities that were once relegated to the realm of science fiction. But it also deepens the mystery. Where did this lunar water come from? Was it delivered by comets and asteroids, or could it be evidence of a more complex, perhaps even volcanic past for our lunar neighbor? The Earth, we know, is a restless planet, its surface constantly shifting and groaning due to the movement of tectonic plates. But what about the moon? It seems like a static, unchanging world, but appearances can be deceiving. The moon, too, experiences its own version of tremors, known as moonquakes. These seismic events, detected by seismometers placed on the lunar surface during the Apollo missions, paint a picture of a surprisingly active lunar interior. Some moonquakes are thought to be caused by the gravitational tug-of-war between Earth and the moon, while others may be triggered by the slow cooling and contraction of the lunar interior. But the most intriguing moonquakes are the ones that remain unexplained. These deep, rumbling tremors seem to originate far below the lunar surface, hinting at geological processes we don't yet fully understand. Could the moon be more geologically active than we ever imagined? The answer may lie hidden deep within its enigmatic core. The moon shows us only one face, a consequence of its synchronous rotation with Earth. The far side, hidden until the Soviet Lunar 3 spacecraft in 1959, revealed a strikingly different, heavily cratered landscape, devoid of the vast dark maria that dominate the near side. This stark dichotomy remains one of the moon's enduring mysteries. Some theories suggest intense volcanic activity on the near side billions of years ago. Our planet is enveloped in a protective magnetic field generated by the churning molten iron in its core. This magnetic shield deflects harmful solar radiation and is essential for life as we know it. The moon, however, lacks such a global magnetic field, or so we thought. Recent studies of lunar rocks reveal the moon once had a magnetic field stronger than Earth's today. This discovery challenges our understanding of the moon's early evolution. The moon's magnetic field was likely generated by a dynamo, a churning molten core. But the moon, being smaller, should have cooled faster, its dynamo sputtering out long ago. So what kept the lunar dynamo going for so long, and why did it eventually disappear? These are questions scientists are grappling with as they piece together the moon's magnetic history. Throughout history, there have been countless reports of strange lights and flashes observed on the surface of the moon. These so-called transient lunar phenomena, or TLPs, have fueled speculation and sparked imaginations for centuries. Are they evidence of alien activity, as some believe, or do they have a more mundane explanation? Scientists have proposed a number of possible causes for TLPs, ranging from meteoroid impacts to electrostatic discharges in the lunar dust. One intriguing theory suggests that outgassing events, where trapped gases are released from the lunar interior, could be responsible for some of the observed lights and flashes. These outgassing events could be triggered by moonquakes or even the gravitational pull of Earth. While most scientists believe that TLPs have natural explanations, the jury is still out on some of the more unusual and difficult to explain observations. Could it be that we're catching glimpses of geological processes on the moon that we don't yet fully understand? Or could there be something even more extraordinary at play? The idea that the moon might be hollow, perhaps even an artificial construct, has been a staple of science fiction for decades. But could there be any truth to this seemingly outlandish notion? The hollow moon theory gained traction in the 1960s, when scientists noticed that the moon rings like a bell when struck by large objects such as meteorites or spent rocket stages. This ringing, which lasted for an unusually long time, led some to speculate that the moon's interior must be hollow, or at least less dense than its outer layers. While most scientists dismiss the hollow moon theory as highly improbable, there are still some unexplained anomalies in the lunar data that keep the debate alive. For example, the moon's density is significantly lower than Earth's, which is unexpected given its composition. Could this density discrepancy be evidence of a hollow interior? Or is there a more conventional explanation that we're overlooking? The hollow moon theory remains a fascinating, albeit highly speculative, chapter in the ongoing exploration of our celestial neighbor. The moon's surface, revealed by countless images, shows relentless bombardment over billions of years. Craters of all shapes and sizes tell a tale of cosmic collisions. Amidst these, some structures hint at a more complex origin. The Shard, a spire-like structure, was photographed in 1968. It casts a shadow, sparking debate about its origin. Other anomalies include geometric patterns and collapsed tunnels. Most scientists believe these have natural explanations, but some remain open to other possibilities. The moon, though a silent sentinel in the night sky, exerts a powerful influence on our planet and its inhabitants. Its gravitational pull is the primary driver of Earth's tides, a rhythmic ebb and flow that has shaped coastlines and influenced maritime life for millennia. But the moon's influence extends far beyond the oceans. There is growing evidence that the moon's cycles affect animal behavior, plant growth, and even human sleep patterns. Some scientists believe that the moon's gravitational pull may influence the flow of fluids in living organisms, while others speculate that its light or lack thereof plays a role in regulating biological rhythms. The moon's influence on Earth is a subtle but pervasive force, a reminder that we are part of a complex and interconnected cosmic web. The moon, once a destination for daring explorers, is poised to become a hub of scientific activity once again. Space agencies around the world are gearing up for a new era of lunar exploration, with missions planned to study the moon's resources, its environment, and its potential for hosting human outposts. One of the most ambitious projects on the horizon is NASA's Artemis program, which aims to land the first woman and the next man on the moon by 2024. Artemis is not just about flags and footprints, it's about establishing a sustainable presence on the moon, learning how to live and work on another celestial body, and paving the way for future missions to Mars and beyond. These missions will undoubtedly uncover new mysteries and deepen our understanding of the moon's enigmatic nature. The future of lunar exploration is bright, promising a wealth of new discoveries that will captivate our imaginations and challenge our understanding of our place in the cosmos. From its enigmatic origins to the strange phenomena that continue to puzzle scientists, the moon remains a source of wonder and inspiration. As we venture further into the cosmos, our celestial neighbor will continue to beckon, its secrets waiting to be unlocked. It's a reminder that the universe is full of mysteries, and that the pursuit of knowledge and understanding is a never-ending journey. Animation is created by Brightside. Music from The Soul Sound, https://thesoul-sound.com/check our Brightside podcast on Spotify and leave a positive review. https://open.spotify.com/show/0huckpxd. Subscribe to Brightside, https://go.gale/rqtjz. For more videos and articles, visit http://w.br. Iteside.me. This video is made for entertainment purposes. We do not make any warranties about the completeness, safety, and reliability. Any action you take upon the information in this video is strictly at your own risk, and we will not be liable for any damages or losses. It is the viewer's responsibility to use judgment, care, and precaution if you plan to replicate.